Hey, I'm Brian Watts. I'm one of the owners here at SolarShine Express Car Wash in Monroe, North Carolina. A few of you have had some questions about our wash and the process of getting on site, paying, and getting in the tunnel. So I thought I'd just spend a day and give you, about a 5-10 minute drive through, little window tour of what it's like to drive onto our site and to get a car wash here at SolarShine. So join me and let's ride along. As we approach the entrance, you'll see some arrows on the ground pointing you, giving you some direction. You'll see our entrance here to the right. You just keep following the arrows up to our enter here sign. You'll see we have a clearance sign here as well. We fit some pretty big trucks, up to 7'4" and 14-inch wide tires. You'll see some signage to the right as well, advertising some of our specials. Here on the left, you see our solar flower. It's a smart solar panel that actually tracks the sun throughout the day and provides some of the power that we're able to use to wash your car. We're going to continue on around the entrance here. And I'll pull up real quick to our menus. As I pull up here, you'll notice we have two lanes on the right and left, and you'll notice our menu sign. So we have washes starting at $8. We have a $12 wash, a $16, and a $20. You'll also notice some prices there to the left. Starting at $23.99, we have a monthly unlimited program where for one monthly fee, you can wash daily throughout the month. We recharge your card and give you a sticker that allows you to enter the wash without having to pay on each visit. You'll notice there are two other options, a $31.99 and a $39.99 as well. Those are just the unlimited plans for our more expensive washes. That's a no commitment. You can cancel anytime. So feel free to join, and if you don't like it, we're not going to hold you to multiple months. So it's fairly easy to do. As I pull forward, I'm going to show you our pay stations. You can see here to the right, it's actually my wife helping a customer. We try our best to always send someone out to help here. But the pay stations are pretty straightforward and don't require too much to use. As an owner, I'm actually part of our members club here, but I'm going to show you the process of walking through. You can see our multiple washes here on the screen. I'm actually going to choose our best wash here today, so I can show you that as we drive through. I'm going to cash out.
Please take your receipt.
You'll see it does give me a receipt. On our $16 and our $20 wash, you can see we now have a rain check included. So if you don't want to do the monthly unlimited plan, which is our best insurance policy, you can buy a $16 or $20 wash, and if it rains in the next couple days, you can scan this and get another wash. Just a little insurance for you for the weather. You can see the gate is opened, and I'm going to go ahead and drive forward and pull up to the wash. Continue following the arrows around. And as we get to the wash entrance, you'll see we have some employees stationed to help you get pulled on and straightened up and lined up. Fairly simple process. Plenty of room here for even the biggest trucks. And we'll wait here while they prep the car in front of us, and then we'll pull up and take our turn. You'll see on the left some blinking yellow lights. Those are just advising you, and our employees should point that out to once you pull up and get in place, you want to put the car in neutral. You want to make sure your wipers, especially if you have automatic wipers, are turned off. You want to keep your feet off the pedals, and you want to keep your hands off the steering wheel. Let our conveyor do the work and push you through the tunnel. There's no need for you to do anything once you're pulled up and you've been told to stop. So we're going to keep pulling up here. You can see he's spraying down the front of our car with our bug prep solution. And we're good to stop here. I'm going to put the car in neutral. And now I'm going to hand some towels out the window. Trade those in. Thank you. That's great. Thanks. We have a towel program here at SolarShine. It's a $5 joining fee, one time, never to be paid again. It gets you access to fresh, clean towels on every visit. Our blue towel here is actually sprayed down with an essential oil cleaning spray. It's great for your interior, your windows, and the black towel is great for touching up the outside. You know, any water that remains in your door jambs, or you know, any little bits that that may not have come off from our blowers. You can see they did spray us down with bug prep and then brushed with a hog hair brush, which is super soft, doesn't mar up your car, but just helps to get those bugs off. As we enter here, this is our solar flare arch. You can see this initial deoxidizing soap that's part of our top wash process. It's a two-stage process that actually interacts with our hot wax as well to just leave your car as shiny as possible, and it really beads water well when you're done. All of our brushes are made from a very safe closed cell foam. The foam doesn't hold any dirt because it's closed cell. While they're spinning, they're always being sprayed down with a lubricating spray, so that they are just riding right on top of your paint. They're actually, you know, not going to scratch. They're not going to cause any issues. We use very, very high quality soaps and waxes and conditioners in our tunnel. You can see now we're approaching our hot wax application. The noise you just heard was actually our high pressure rinse that helps to knock off any bugs or dirt that may still be remaining. You know, as we go through, you'll notice that we actually have multiple pieces of equipment, so that every part of your car actually gets touched 2 to 3 times as you go through, ensuring that you're getting clean. Now we'll pass through our waterfall, and then our chemical applications begin. The first one here in yellow is our Rain-X. The next one in green is actually a clear coat protectant. And then blue is our spot-free rinse, which is a very highly filtered water that allows, you know, for the final rinse that just keeps any water spots that may remain from drying and leaving marks on your car. Now we'll enter the dryer tunnel. Up ahead you can see as well that we have our tire shine application that applies tire shine to your tires here at the very end. As we ride through, you can see the water beating away and being pushed off. Up ahead, you can see a yellow, green, and blue sign. Right now, the yellow light is flashing, telling us to relax and be patient. We're still in the wash process. Once we reach the end of the tunnel and the wash is done, the green and blue light will light up, telling us that it's time to go and thank you. And then we can put it back into drive, put our hands back on the steering wheel, and pull away. So we'll just wait for that light. And there it is. Put it back in drive, and we'll exit the tunnel. We'll pull to the left here. You can see a sign giving you some directions. If you're done now and you don't want to do anything else, you're free to just pull straight and out the exit. Or you can hang a left here into our vacuum stalls. We have plenty of vacuums, even for the busiest of days, where you can now, after your wash, vacuum your own car, clean the interior, use the towels that you may have as part of our towel program. I'm going to pull up in this spot here, and you can see the vacuums on each side. You have access to vacuums on each side of your car. You can see in front of us as well that we have a vending set up. There's drinks if you're thirsty. There's a machine that actually has some interior cleaning supplies, some Armor All, some leather wipes, anti-fog, as well as some air fresheners that you can purchase. And then to the right of that is our mat washing station. We use a Rhino mat machine. It's a wet dry, so you can choose either or. Machine that you run your cloth or your most rubber mats through. It will actually shampoo them and vacuum them at the same time and spit them out ready to go and put back in your car. That's included free as well with any wash purchase. So thanks today for riding along. If you have any questions, hit us up in the comments or feel free to stop by. We are always happy to walk you through, show you the materials we use for washing the car, and talk you through the process here as well. So thanks for riding along. We hope you'll come see us soon.